In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Roblox on your computer. So if you're encountering some kind of error message or some kind of issue with the Roblox app, then usually updating Roblox can fix these issues. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up an internet browser and head over to the Roblox website. Then what you need to do is click on any of these experiences and then just go and click on the play button to go and launch this Roblox game. Now typically Roblox is going to automatically update when you click that play button. So I'm just going to click on open Roblox game client and that should typically automatically update the game for you. Now sometimes automatically updating Roblox won't work and you have to manually go and update it. So to go and manually update Roblox, what you first need to do is uninstall the application. So to do this, click on your start menu and search for settings, and then click on the settings window. In the left-hand side, click on apps, click on installed apps. Using the search box, type in Roblox, and then go and uninstall all of these Roblox applications. Now to do that, just click on these three horizontal dots and select uninstall and click on uninstall. So I'm also going to do the same for this one down here as well. And once you've uninstalled Roblox, you can head back over to an internet browser, click again on the play button, and it will pop up with a window saying download and install Roblox. Click on that, and then just wait a few moments while that goes and downloads. Click on your downloaded file in the top right hand side, and then simply go through the steps to reinstall Roblox to your computer, and this is going to install the latest version as well. Now if for some reason this still isn't working, then you need to make sure your date and time is configured correctly on your computer. Now to do that, just right click on your date and time in the bottom right hand side, click on adjust date and time, and make sure to turn on and enable set time zone automatically, and also set time automatically. We're going to turn that on, and once you've done that, that should fix any updating issues with Roblox. If it's still not working, you could always try installing Roblox from the Microsoft Store instead. So if I search for Microsoft Store and click on this, in the top here go and search for Roblox and hit enter, and then just go and click on Roblox in the top left hand side, and then you can just install this to your computer. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.